saw this on YouTube. I forgot the guy from YouTube, what's his name is called, but I'll add it into the subscription. It works. I already changed those 4 right here. Like you can tell. And these are the new ones. These are like eBay kind of stuff. I noticed that if it's like the original one's gonna be red and the other one's gonna be green. They have different colors, but they work. They look like they fit perfectly. What I do to put it on, I put it on top dead, well not top dead center, but I put my flathead, little small flathead, and let's say I'm doing a third one, so I just stick it in there. If I could do it right now. Oh, the heck, can't do it with one hand, guys. There you go. So see, it doesn't go all the way in. That's how I know it's on top. And then I just get started to it, and that's it. Okay, so that's how I have the tool, of course, and then the C-clamp, and then you take out the little clips with the little magnet. I already have them over here. And then after that, you know, just there you go. Take out the clip, take out the springs. If I push down, they won't go down because the piston's hitting. So that's good for me, you know. So if when I take these out, put some pliers. There you go. Same thing on the other one. I'm having a hard time here, guys. There you go. With no air compressor. Now we're gonna put the new ones. Push them in there. Same thing on the other one. Push it in there. So there's still enough of a gap. So what I do, I just get a 17 with a long extension and tap it with a hammer. After you tap it with a hammer, then you put everything back together and you start on the other one, and same thing. Put the piston, the forward piston in the back. This is the driver's side, on top dead center. Well, you know, where you can feel the piston on the up position, and do it all over again. Now that we're putting everything back together, I use the magnet to grab it, and I'll pull it up a little bit. It helps it to be adjusted. And same thing on the other side. And you feel it go up and down. I just use this to guide it in place, or if I put a flathead right here and between the gaps, and adjust it. When you're done, it should look like this.